Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. You can soft reset it just by pressing the power button and the volume down button together and wait until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo. So of course this is the same combination of keys which is used to make a screenshot, so just ignore it. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons together simultaneously, and of course we've made a screenshot, but let's keep pressing until we will see the black screen. Keep pressing. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is really good, but keep pressing. We've got the developer's logo, so we can release the fingers and our device will be restarted in a second, and it should work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.